In this video, I'm going to walk you through the M12 TRAPSNAKE Toilet Auger. Toilets are some of the most common clogs you guys run into. The M12 TRAPSNAKE Toilet Auger is the first solution that allows you to use a power tool without having to remove the fixture, because it maneuvers traps faster and protects porcelain. Traditionally, with those hand cranks, it's difficult to feed the cable. It's kind of like patting your head and rubbing your tummy when you're trying to spin that crank handle and push down on that feed of the cable. This powered unit delivers a faster spin speed that basically walks itself into the trap. The one thing to note though, is now that this next gen is compatible with drills that you can chuck up to this unit, we still strongly recommend using the M12 TRAPSNAKE Driver. Reason being is the TRAPSNAKE Driver has the optimized RPM that prevents the porcelain fixture from getting damaged. This driver gives you the right amount of power and speed to maneuver the trap faster, clear the clog, but you won't damage the fixture. I'll show you how it works. First, I'm going to extend the cable. So what I want to point out here is our fixed rubber boot. Our fixed rubber boot is designed to not visibly damage the porcelain. Speaking of our competitors and those that you see out in the market, the boots are constantly falling off and scratching the fixtures. So to ensure we don't have that damage with ours, we have that nice fixed rubber boot. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to extend that first 3 feet of cable. First, I'm going to extend the telescope. Next, I just gently slide it into the toilet. And the 3 feet is in the fixture. Now, sometimes you do need to reach beyond the fixture, so all 6 feet of the toilet augers have additional cables stored inside of them. This is the easiest tool to do that extension and retraction because it's the only solution with a cable lock. So this is how it works. First, I'm going to lift up just enough so that you can see the pin detent. Next, I'm going to engage the cable lock. I'll push down on the pin detent, as so, until I hear that nice and easy click. Next, I'm going to disengage the cable lock. Then, I'm going to drive the additional 3 feet. And just like that, I have a full 6 feet within the system. Now it's time to retract the cable. First, I'm going to completely extend the telescope once more. Just till I can see that bottom pin detent. Next, I'm going to lock the cable. That way it makes it more secure and very easy to maneuver with that pin detent. Next, I'm going to press that pin detent in. And I slid it all the way up till I see it at the top once more. Next, I'm going to unlock the cable. All I have to do is extend that telescope, remove it from the toilet. The M12 TRAPSNAKE Porcelain Auger System is the first interchangeable powered auger system. We also have available our auger cases that allow you to store your urinal and toilet augers so you can walk off the job not only looking professional, but also containing the mess. For more solutions that are powered by the TRAPSNAKE Driver, please see the other solutions tab above. For more solutions that are powered by the TRAPSNAKE Driver, please